Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make roasted rosemary garlic potatoes. They're very, very yummy. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to get your potatoes, have them diced up, and then you are going to coat them in some olive oil. I just pour it on. I don't know, maybe that's maybe 1/4 of a cup. And also go ahead and get your oven preheating. You want to put it on 400 degrees. That's warming up. And I've also got some fresh rosemary, and I also threw a couple sage leaves in there. So I'm going to put that in there. You can use fresh garlic, but I'm just going to use powdered garlic. It's a lot easier. And lots of it. And also some black pepper. Some black pepper. And what you're going to do is you're just going to toss it all together. They're very easy. Keep tossing them until they're nice and coated evenly. Alright, and I don't even grease this or anything, because these are already sort of greasy. I'm just going to put them all in here. And just spread them out as evenly as I can. And we're just going to wait for the oven to preheat. Okay, the oven is at 400 degrees. It's nice and hot. So we're going to go ahead and put them in. We're going to put it in, we're going to put the timer on for 30 minutes. And then when it beeps at 30 minutes, we're going to flip them. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. We're going to just flip them over. They smell so good. Alright, I'm going to even them back out. Alright, now we're going to put them back in for 30 more minutes and they'll be done. Okay, it's been 1 hour and they're perfect. I like mine, I don't know, sometimes I leave them in there a little longer. I like them a little crispier than this, but you know, you just do as you will. So, you can add salt. Go ahead and add your salt, and they are perfect.